Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you this morning? How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. Are you ready for speaking test?
Yes.
All right. So as usual, we have videos and then you watch the videos and you tell me the vocabulary and answer my questions. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, let me share the screen. Anna, first, it's about animals. So what animal is it?
Goat.
We say it's a
Goat.
goat. That's right. How many goats can you see here in these videos?
Three.
Three. 1, 2, 3. And this one is only one. That's right. Goat.
Goat.
Move on to the next. We're talking about their hair. Anna?
Curly.
Curly. Okay. So what about Anna's hair? Do you have a curly hair?
No, I don't have.
Curly hair. What about Miss Lee's hair? Do I have a curly hair? This looks straight, right? Yeah, I guess that my hair, because I have a wavy hair here, so it's not really curly, but you can say a little bit wavy. Okay. Let's see the next one.
Toe.
Here we are talking about the animal's body parts. So what do we call this part of their body?
Toe.
Toe. Is it toe?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see the word here. How can we say this word, Anna?
Toe.
Tail. Tail.
Tail.
Tail. Do dogs have a tails, Anna?
Yes.
Yes, they do. All right. Tail. What about this? What are they?
Fox.
Yeah, one fox. What about 4? How can we say if there are 4 of them?
Foxes.
Foxes. Yeah.
Foxes.
Foxes. That's right. So our full sentence should be there are 4 foxes. Right? Can you say it?
There are 4 foxes.
Foxes. That's right. Do you like foxes, Anna? Do you like foxes?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Yeah, I think that they're cute, they're beautiful, but of course, if they are dangerous, so we avoid them. But I think they all very cute. They are all very cute.
Cheers.
That's right. The next one here, just
Skunk.
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 Yeah, skunk. What color is this skunk, Anna?
Black and white.
White. And what about his nose? Its nose.
And brown.
Brown. What about the nose? What about this nose? Pink. A lot of color because this just cartoon. It's not real. We couldn't find a real skunk video at all. What about this? Parrots. How many parrots can you see, Anna?
3 parrots.
Parrots. That's right. Can they talk, Anna? Can parrots talk? Talk like us. Talk. Say hello. Say goodbye. Can
Yes.
talk? Yes. I think they can mimic.
And hello. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. They can copy. They can copy our voice. I think that their ability, special ability. Parrot. Oh, what about
Awake.
awake? She's not sleeping. But what about here?
Awake.
Awake. The daughter wake the dad up, so he's awake. What about Anna now? Are you awake now? Are you awake now?
Yes, I know.
Yes, I am. Are you? So yes, I am. Yes, we are doing the test. We are having a conversation, so we are awake. This one is opposite, Anna.
Asleep.
Asleep. That's right. Asleep. So what about Kate, Anna? Is she awake or asleep? Kate.
Kate.
Kate, your sister.
Yes.
Kate is awake or Kate is asleep now, Anna?
Asleep.
Asleep. Kate is asleep. Okay. About hair, Anna. About the length of the hair.
Short and long.
Short and long. Yeah, here's the pair of adjectives we use to talk about the length of the hair. So how can you say about your hair, Anna? Is your hair long?
Yes.
Yes, you think it's long? Yeah, this one actually, it's just like a personal opinion. What about Miss Lay's hair?
Long.
Long. So you can say, I have long hair. Anna, actually,
I don't have long. I have short.
I think so. I think you should say because it's just like up to your neck. And usually,
I like long. I like short.
You like short hair. You like having short hair. That's good. Very neat. What about next? They like their things. Favorite. Right? Favorite. They like it a lot. So Anna, what? Favorite. Anna, what is your favorite food? Anna, what you want to eat? What you like eating? What is your favorite food? What do you like eating?
Cake.
What is your favorite toy? Right? For this girl is her teddy bear. What about Anna? What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy.
My favorite
toy is
teddy bear.
A teddy bear too. Okay.
Me too.
We're talking about meal. This one we eat in the morning. What do you call it?
Breakfast.
All right. So let's see. Let's look at the word here, Anna, and say it once again. Broccoli.
Breakfast.
No S here, right? So we say breakfast.
Breakfast.
That's right. What is your favorite? What is your favorite breakfast, Anna? What is your favorite breakfast? What do you like eating for breakfast? What do you like? What's that?
Hamburger.
Omelette. Very good.
And hot dogs.
Yeah, hot dogs. Hot dogs too. Omelette. I get it's eggs. What about sandwiches, Anna? Do you like sandwiches for breakfast?
Yes.
Yes, you do. All right. The next here is the meal we eat at noon. So what do we call this?
Lunch.
Lunch. Very good pronunciation. What do you like eating for your lunch? Anna, what do you like for your lunch? What
Noodles.
Noodles. Anything else? Anything else? Noodles.
Yes.
What about fried rice?
Rice.
Rice. Thinking. Okay. Fried rice too. All right. That is lunch. We move on. This is the main meal, and usually we eat in the evening. The main meal. See, a lot of food, right, for this meal. So what do you call this?
Dinner.
Dinner. That's right.
Dinner.
What is your favorite dinner, Anna? What about fish?
Chicken.
Chicken. Fried chicken, I think. A lot of children like
Cake.
cake. Cake just like a dessert. Yeah. Dessert. Like a just for snack. But the main meal is chicken. What about rice, Anna? Sausages? Sausages? What about rice? Rice. You eat every day and you don't like it? No. What about vegetables? Vegetables. Broccoli, cabbage, carrots. What are vegetables? Are they your favorite?
Healthy food.
Healthy food. Okay. They are healthy food. What about this? What are they eating?
Pizzas.
Pizza. The video. Yeah.
Pizza.
Yeah. Pizza. Pizza. That's the right way to say pizza. All right. And does Anna like pizza?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I do.
What are they?
Fish.
They are fish.
Yeah,
Do you like fish? Do you like fish? Do you like eating fish?
No.
No, I don't. Right?
No eating fish.
I don't like eating fish. Okay, I don't like them. All right.
I don't like eating fish. I like fish.
Yeah, you just like fish like this. They are alive. Me too. I also like fish like this. I also like watching fish swimming, right? But not eating them. All right. This one is a little bit like here we have a fruit.
Healthy food.
Yeah, healthy. They are good for our health. It's believed. So
I like it.
Yeah, I like healthy food. This one is uncountable. We stop with the sound. Okay? Yeah. Healthy food. What is she eating, by the way, Anna?
Carrot.
Carrot. So the full sentence is she is eating a carrot.
Right.
A carrot. Do you like carrots, Anna?
Yes. Yes.
What about this dry grapes? What do we call this?
Raisin.
Raisin. One raisin only? Only one?
I don't like raisins.
You don't like raisins either. Raisins, Anna. Raisins. Yeah, they are sweet. I'm 50-50. It's not my favorite. They are not my favorite, but I'm okay with them. What are they making? What are they?
Breakfast.
Breakfast?
No.
No. All the carrots, all the squash.
Salads.
Salad. They are making salads. But in general, what do we call them?
Foods.
Yeah, they are healthy, but it is not meat. It is not chicken, right? They are not meat. Vegetables. That's right. Vegetables. For some reason, they are countable, so we usually use in plural. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Good. Let's try this one.
Breakfast.
Breakfast, yeah, we can have a toast breakfast, but I'm asking about this machine, this tool that we use in our kitchen to make our sandwich or breakfast. What do we call this machine? Yeah, here the bread, the toast, but the machine. How can we say the word?
Toaster.
Toaster. We're talking about the machine, yeah. Electrical machine.
Toaster.
Toaster. Do you have a toaster, Anna? Do you have a toaster? Yes. Okay. Where is your toaster? Where is your toaster? In the living room? Where is it?
Kitchen.
In the kitchen. Usually, yes. These things we live in the kitchen for cooking, for preparing food.
Salad.
He's eating salad. I think in this situation, it's just countable now, so we just say salad. Okay?
I don't like salad.
You don't like salad?
Yes.
It's normal. Yeah, it's normal that children or kids don't like vegetables or salad. We just try one more. Okay, one more here. What is he eating?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Do you like yogurt?
Yes. Yes. It has.
Okay, they are good, right? Actually, it is good. It's just so tasty, right? It's just so tasty. Or healthy, we don't really know, but it's really tasty. And we like eating this. All right, Anna, we have very quick, short mini speaking test. You did a good job. And now it's time to say goodbye. Bye, Anna.
Goodbye, teacher. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.